Good day, ma'am. I'm Admonadan S. from Beskrim po. I'm explaining the different types of transnational crimes and how it affects in the internal security. First, I'll be discussing the drug trafficking, mga illegal na droga na about sa Pilipinas. Drug trafficking involves the illegal procedure, production, distribution, and sale of controlled substances. These crimes undermines public health, fuels violence and corruption, and destabilize governments. Drug cartels often have substantial resources and can influence local law enforcement and political structures. The global nature of drug trafficking necessitates international cooperation for effective law enforcement and public health strategies. Drug trafficking, no, like drug ginadili gamit like mga paraphernalia mga marijuana, shabuhay mga joke. Moto siyang drug trafficking. Kung ano drug trafficking kay basta kabalon mo na may naghan po na ng Pilipinas sa bisag mga uban nga ni mga police hindi nabagyan kung sa batas kay may uban magamit sila mana mitsa mana toyo kragaya po na. Next is the human trafficking. Human trafficking includes the illegal trade of people for purposes such as forced labor, kanang pugson ka bitaw, sexual exploitation, kanang pag tugo sa katao nga magkuan mo si mag-ana mo or mag-harm or pagpagtalik diay and other forms of abuse, kanang mga himuon kang alipin bitaw ana nya. These crimes violate human rights and contributes to modern slavery. Luoy dyan mo. It also has broader societal impacts including weakening legal system and generating illegal profits. Combating human trafficking requires international collaboration including shared intelligence, victim protection programs, and coordinated law enforcement efforts. Yan ang kuan labi ng human trafficking kay kuan pugson bitaw mo ng isa ka tao bitaw para basta nga na mga baligya imong mga internal organs ana mga basta kay illegal gyapon eh. This is terrorism. Ay kaning terrorism kay na ay bag-o kuan man kay ning terrorism like kuan magkapuning terrorism niliban ta mo kay kay sa una di kuan di sakop pa sa taga Spain ya this og 345 days ba to o ako na siya 365 days ay 300 years dito niya uman sa Spain sa Amerika na po. Ang terrorism no kay kuan man kay nasa tuwa mo nang pag mga pananakop ba sa like para sa Ukraine na Russia nga tububat na binumbahay sila loy kay mga tao-tawon among mga civilian. Para sa pod aning kuan no issue karon sa yung West Philippines versus China. Adyo gani kay mga bagyo-bagyo sila dito. Ipang tubaan na agmang sa China. Magyapon sila ni hunong ron. So mo din ang terrorism no, the use of violence especially murder and bombing no, na diri o bombing mga bomba mga panghagbong ng mga gubat na. In order to achieve political aims or to force a government to do something. Just like Philippines and China, nag-ilog sa West Philippines mag-o pa lang ng Yeshua sa Kwanford Plaza ba to? Sa Israel. Ukraine o Russia. Motos la. Mo ng terrorism. Next is the cybercrime. Cybercrime involves illegal activities conducted via the internet or digital networks, including hacking, identity theft, and online fraud. The borderless nature of the internet allows cyber criminals to operate globally, making it challenging for national authorities to address this crime. Cybercrime can disrupt economies, compromise sensitive information, and threaten national security. International collaboration is crucial for developing cybersecurity standard, sharing for information on threats, and prosecuting offenders. Ang cybercrime kay panis niya kaayo po ng mga scam, nga mag-imo ka ng mga virus bitaw, mga kuan. Interested to ang I love you. Ang sigurot na. Na conducting involves illegal activities conducted via the internet with the use of internet, mga social media, mga scam. Yeah, next is the money laundering. Money laundering, the concealment of the origins of illegally obtained money, typically by means of transfers involving foreign banks or legitimate business. Ay, mo din scam, di ba? Dito mo itong cybercrime. And that's all of our lesson today, and have a nice day. Bye.